Watch Amanda Holden try and drink a whole Sprite without burping.
It's my first attempt to drink a whole can of Sprite without burping. I don't even drink Sprite. It's going well.